How to be an efficient presenter. 6 soft skills which you must have. Soft skills refer to the personality traits, interpersonal skills, and behavior you use to interact with other people. These abilities are crucial if you want to become an efficient presenter. Someone who can be trusted to make an event lively, productive, and remarkable. Luckily, these valuable assets can be learned and developed. Encouraging everyone to participate, communicate effectively, and work in a collaborative fashion to make the gathering successful are the examples of soft skills essential to events. By knowing what soft skills and how to develop these, you can become a professional presenter who is sought after both new and established organizations worldwide. Here is a list of soft skills you must possess to become an efficient master of ceremonies or presenter. First is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence refers to your ability to control and understand your emotions while identifying and empathizing with the emotion of other people. This is critical while remaining calm is significant, and if you need to understand the opinion of both the audience and the speakers. You must have a sense of ease, and this must be expressed in your face, words, and body language and gestures. Be comfortable in your own skin and allow pauses instead of rushing. Pauses are very important. In fact, modulation for a presentation is the key to success. And what is voice modulation? It's your ability to bring in variance in pace, pause, pitch, and emphasis on the keyword. You must develop a sense of calm commitment that will draw the crowd in without shattering. To show a sense of calm and ease, you have to have sparkle in your eyes, significant pauses when speaking, and a gesture that emphasizes your point. Number 2, creativity. Being creative refers to thinking outside the box and finding innovative solutions to solve any problem that can arise before, during, and after the event. For instance, you should keep an open mind whenever you are confronted with bizarre ideas instead of ignoring or shutting them down. It is also helpful to use creative techniques like provocations, mind tapes, mind maps, and role playing. Point number 3, critical thinking. Critical thinking is knowing how to analyze information and give reasons effectively. While hosting events, this will involve the process of taking the problems or information and understanding them to develop solutions or extract value. To become an excellent critical thinker, you need to know more than what the audience does. The participants must perceive you as someone who can translate the details into their level of understanding. This can only materialize if you are familiar with the subject matter, if you know it, so you need to prepare and practice your presentation. Start with a concise, compelling message. Tell a story instead of presenting just a list of bullet points. Every part of your presentation must move the message forward. The ending should then wrap up the whole thing and in an organized fashion go back to the message mentioned originally. Number 4, communications. Communications have to be excellent. You need to speak to the audience politely, cordially, clearly, and at the same time listen to what they have to say. Effective communication involves verbal and written skills that are tied to effective and active listening. The best way to develop your communication skills is to build your confidence by turning your nervousness into power. Fine tune your delivery skills and work on your mental focus. If you are in command of your thoughts, you can speak fluently and confidently, and filler or hesitations can be avoided in your speech. Do it. Moreover, know how to connect with the audience. You can do this by thinking about them, by relating your content to them. You can also move closer to them, make an eye contact, and engage them in the discussion. Most importantly, don't waste their time with irrelevant presentations. Flexibility. Being a flexible person, being flexible means embracing changes with a resourceful, positive attitude. Unexpected problems can arise during presentation, but this should not discourage you from doing what you are doing the best. Instead, quickly find a solution and make it look as a part of the event whenever possible. The world is constantly changing, so you must be resilient in response to the deviation and view them as opportunities instead of hindrances. Be persistent and resourceful to overcome any challenge that may arise during an event. Teamwork or collaborative work refers to your ability to work effectively with everyone involved in the presentation event. It requires and encompasses other soft skills including flexibility, communication, and emotional intelligence. For events that include several speakers working collaboratively with them as the event MC is crucial in ensuring that everything runs smoothly. You must know the structure of the program, and you must inform the speakers of their order. Give emphasis about how long they must be on the stage so as not to disrupt the timetable. Inform them about any signal indicating that they have a few minutes left to wrap up their speech. The ability to think critically, resolve issues, and interact effectively is vital to navigating through events and presentations successfully. Luckily, you can develop these soft skills training through leadership and management training, and you can nurture them with proper focus, structure, and repetition. So, this is what has been given to us by an author, Hisham Wine, who is an internationally recognized MC, broadcaster, and presenter. So, this has been repeated because he forwarded this blog to be written, to be presented, to be published in our blog. Thank you.